Welcome to our channel, where we help you navigate the latest features and updates on popular apps like WhatsApp. Today, we're going to walk you through a simple yet important process: how to edit a community description on WhatsApp. This feature allows you to keep your community members informed and engaged by providing them with relevant information about your community. First, open the WhatsApp app on your device. Once you're logged in, tap the Communities tab located at the bottom of your screen. This will take you to a list of all the communities you're part of. Select the community you want to edit by tapping on it. Now, you'll see the community page with various options. Tap on the three dots in the top right corner of the screen. This will open a drop-down menu with several options. From this menu, select Community Info. This is where you can view and edit your community's details. Within the Community Info page, you'll see an option to edit community info. Tap on this to make changes to your community's information. Under the community name, you'll find the current description. Tap on this description to edit it. You can delete the existing text and enter a new description that better reflects your community's purpose or updates. Once you've entered your new description, tap the checkmark to save your changes. This is a crucial step, as it ensures that your new description is visible to all community members. Remember, only community admins have the ability to make these changes, so if you're not an admin, you won't be able to edit the description. Editing your community description is a great way to keep your members informed about upcoming events, changes, or important announcements. It also helps new members understand the community's purpose and what they can expect from it. By following these simple steps, you can easily update your community description and keep your community engaged and informed. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more useful guides and tips on using WhatsApp and other apps effectively. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.